You've been sold a lie that validation is the key to power. Your neediness comes from the illusion that you need approval to be worthy. This need to be liked, seen, understood. It has bound you. It's not love, it's weakness. Stop chasing what isn't yours to own. Why have you given others that power over you? Every time you crave validation, you're submitting. The world doesn't owe you anything. Your value is not determined by how others see you. It's determined by how you see yourself. Break free from this mental cage. It's time for freedom. The truth is sharp. Neediness is a trap. You've been chasing approval like a dog, but real power doesn't beg. No one respects neediness. It repels them. You are your own measure of worth, not the approval of others. The sooner you realize this, the sooner you gain control. The first step to ending neediness is to stop depending on others for validation. You need to reframe your perspective. Remove your emotional dependence. Real power is self-contained. Your emotions, your worth, your decisions, they need to be yours, not someone else's. Take full control of yourself. Embrace this truth. If you want true power, you must sever the chains of neediness. Never again beg for attention or approval. Control yourself. Your strength lies in emotional independence. The world will fall at your feet when you stop needing them. Own your power. Own your mind. Your worth comes from within, not from others. End the need for validation. Be your own source of power. Control your emotions and you control the world. You've spent too long living on the edge of others' perceptions, their words, their actions, their approval. It's all been controlling you. You're a puppet, not a king. It's time to sever the strings. Stop letting people dictate how you feel. You control that. No one else. The reality, your need for approval, is nothing more than emotional slavery. They don't care about your feelings, you're just a tool for their desires. The minute you stop needing others' approval, you will realize your true power. Stop living for their praise and live for yourself. The cold truth is this: you've been trying to fit into their world. But to dominate, you must create your own world. Stop needing them. Stop begging for respect. Take it. This neediness has stolen your strength, and it's time to take it back. All of it. From this moment, you'll stop waiting for others to make you feel worthy. You will rebuild your self-worth, not on their approval but on your actions. You will become emotionally independent, forging your own path. The world doesn't need to understand you. They need to fear you. From now on, your power is yours, and yours alone. You don't need anyone to validate you. You are self-sufficient, emotionally unshakable. You control your world because you no longer let them control you. This is your power. This is your law. Take back control by ending the need for validation. Emotional independence is the key to true power. You are your own source of strength. You've been controlled by your emotions for too long. Your reactions to the world around you, those are weaknesses. Anger, sadness, desperation, all of these emotions hold you back. True strength lies in detachment. It's time to stop feeling everything and start controlling everything. Master your emotions. You can't afford to be vulnerable anymore. Emotions are your enemy. They blind you, manipulate you, and make you weak. Detachment isn't a cold retreat. It's emotional power. You control how you feel. You control what you allow to affect you. Get angry. Get cold. Control it. Emotions don't control you. You control them. Detachment isn't about feeling nothing. It's about choosing What matters? It's about commanding your responses to the world. Once you master emotional detachment, nothing can sway you. You will be untouchable, unbothered, and always in control. Never let emotions rule. Start with a cold mind. Don't let anything affect you. You are detached, not disconnected, but in full control. Whether the world praises or condemns you doesn't matter. What matters is how you respond. Emotional detachment is your weapon, and with it, you become unstoppable. Own your responses. From now on, emotions serve you. You don't serve them. Detach from the world's expectations. Detach from validation. Detach from neediness. In this detachment, you gain your true power. Control your emotions. Control your fate. Never let external forces dictate your internal world. Emotional detachment is the ultimate weapon. Master your emotions and you master the world. Detach from the world to control it.